Hello everyone, welcome to Study24x7, first educational social network, and today we will learn how to create a page on Study24x7. A page is basically an online medium between you and your students, from where you can teach your students, sell courses, publish articles, increase your brand popularity by getting more followers, and much more. Today we are taking a reference to one of our famous page named as Topline Coaching, and I will show you how to create a similar page for yourself. And as you can see, it has courses at the middle part. At the right we have ratings, and at the left we have all the panels of about, gallery, question filter, and everything else. Let's create our own page now. Let's come back to page wall. So in order to create a page, one must have an account on Study24x7. And here we have an account of Ankita Sharma. So you can see at the bottom left, there is a button labeled Create a Page. So let's click on it. As you can see, we have two options here, organization and individual. So if you have a coaching institute, which is already very popular, and you can opt for organization. And if you are a teacher who teaches as an individual, you can opt for individual. So here we will click on organization. So as we click on organization, there is a text box coming from below, written page title. So we will fill the page title as Topline Coaching 2, as we already have a page with Topline Coaching. Then we will click on next for the next step, that is choosing our page interest. We will choose the interest. They are the same interest you choose while creating your account. So we will opt for commerce, science, and arts. So we will complete our page creation by clicking next. So this is our page. It is blank right now. We will fill it up. So first we'll go with the profile pic. Let's upload one profile pic. We'll upload the same profile pic for better reference. Okay, let it upload. Okay, it's done. Now we will go for the cover pic. So as you can see, our page is created, and now we have a widget called Create a Page Name. So we will click on Create, and we will fill the page name. Page name is your identity on this Study24x7 social network. So we will put in Topline Coaching 2. Yes, we will check the availability. Yes, this is available, and we will click on save. So you can always see your page name on the right widget in the about section. And then we will fill out our about, all the information regarding this page, containing location, page info, website. Just click on edit and fill these forms, and save. And then after that, we will move on to creating a course of this page. So right now we don't have any courses. So there is a button called create. So in the next tutorial, we will learn how to create a course on this page. So likewise, you can easily access your page. Just go to your wall, and from the left section, you can see there is My Pages. So we will click on it, and as you can see, this is the page we created. Hope you like this tutorial. Welcome to Study24x7.